あ、こんばんは。
こんばんは。
元気ですか？
元気です。
久しぶりですね。Hello.
Oh,
こんばんは。Hello guys.
where? Suddenly.
Yes, so oh, we have another guest here.
Yeah. Now I was talking about poop.
Oh,
Peaceful poop story.
What is
What an
that?
introduction.
It's a poop.
Oh, what an entrance.
Golden poop
Golden Pool.
sticker. I put golden poop sticker on the chicken.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Sticker. I think I learned the
Good
kanji.
fortune.
You learned the kanji poop?
I think
Yeah,
it's
like
like
a
sticker kanji.
clarify.
Yeah, that's a useful word.
Exactly. I see the poop.
But poop doesn't have a kanji. Only hiragana. Unko. Unko.
Ah,
Written in hiragana. No kanji, so
No
you
kanji.
can easy to learn.
ビールください。
ビル。
ビルお疲れ様です for today.
For today.
イエーイ
Yay.
サトル
サトロ。
アイドルオタク
No, 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 no.
No? Why you can say no?
He's very popular.
Yeah, very popular among Japanese idols.
Japanese idol, yeah.
So when he comes
He's a
to
professional
the...
otaku.
イエーイ
お疲れ様です。
乾杯、乾杯、乾杯。
星に赤てっちゃんラストオーダーですけど
乾杯。
そろそろ
乾杯。And Peter, long time no see. How are you doing? All right. Okay, actually, I have something to try now. If you guys okay? I have.
Okay? Are you sure?
Yeah. What is that? I have
What's
this.
that? Ah, egg!
Not
No.
egg, not egg. This is time kettle.
タイムケトル
Yes. Can you try it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So, just open it up.
Open.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Here かな
yes.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
It's
Oh,
like,
something inside. これ Earphone?
Yeah, but I have to
So,
connect
when
it to
each-
your phone.
Oh.
I'm gonna connect it to my phone. So, oh, you have to pull it out.
何 To?
Yeah, yeah.
Where?
You see these for
Oh,
sale, like
okay.
$250.
And then,
Right.
Instant translation.
Ah,
Yeah.
Lighting.
right. And now, okay. Now, who is gonna try first?
$250.
Who is gonna try first?
Worth it.
Who's
Jason?
gonna try first?
English and Japanese with Miley.
English.
マイリー
Yeah,
マイリー
one Miley, one Jason.
じゃあシェア
Yes.
Okay.
And then,
There are two Jasons. Which
oh, American Jason first.
Jason.
okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
Good catch.
Alright.
はい。
Didn't got a green.
And then, who's gonna speak?
はい、マイリ
Okay.
Hi.
Now,
ー。はい。
speak to Jason now.
Okay. And now?
Yeah,
Okay.
just say
Right now?
long sentence in clear.
Long sentence?
Yeah, clear.
Long
but clear.
sentence?
Yes.
It's difficult to think the long sentence to him. じゃあ OK.
Yeah, in Japanese.
はい
Okay.
ジェイソン今日はすっごく楽しかったね。特に一緒にカラオケで歌を歌ったのが楽しかったです。あとはうんこの話するのも大好きで、ジェイソンと一緒にうんこの話できてめっちゃ楽しかった。
Are you listening English now?
Hi.
How was it?
Still going.
So, that's perfect. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Perfect English.
That was really good. And yes, I had a good time with you. And yes, thank you for the pound each year.
あ、やばい。
Oh, so it was-
Final sentence.
English, yeah? Japanese.
Japanese.
It was impressive. It was very impressive.
How is it?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, no, still continuing translating
To Japanese, yeah?
what he said. Yeah, to Japanese and to me. すごい。
that was
It's
spot on.
amazing.
Yeah,
やばい
spot
ね。
on. Yeah.
これはやばい。
Very impressive. Very
Very,
impressive.
so it's very accurate or?
わあ。
翻訳できてるってこと
coming 来る来る。coming. The voice is coming into me. Translated in Japanese. What he says.
Alright, let's
Let's
try American accent now.
American accent.
Okay.
Okay. うんこじゃないことを言うのってすごく辛いな。なんでかっていうと、私の脳みそは空っぽだからうんこのことしか頭にないんだよね。
I think Jason got that one now.
There it goes.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's in Japanese, yeah?
Yeah, and it keeps coming to me too. It's taken. So.
Sometimes when I speak in English with my participants, sometimes I cannot understand what they say,
Right.
but it translates what they say after that.
Right.
And once I hear what you said, and after that I can hear the correct sentences
Oh, really?
into my brain, and so I can find the place where I couldn't understand because of this. So it's really a good tool to
Right.
learn other languages.
Right.
So my ear,これは only accepted for the Japanese.
Japanese,
right?
yeah. If you speak English, it gets
So
confused.
this is the Japanese.
Now it's Japanese, yeah.
Yeah.
I can set it here actually to
So
Japanese.
Japanese are not good at
I can set
speaking
it on my
English, so
Smartphone.
she translates very Japanese way
Yes. Okay.
English.
All right.
Someone else?
All right.
Okay.
Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish.
Spanish,
Yeah.
Spanish. Oh, Spanish.
Speaker here.
We have Alex
Yes.
Yeah.
from Chile, so let's try Spanish.
Felicitar a Mayri por el tour que nos hizo hoy. Espero volver el próximo año y felicitarla porque su trabajo es increíble.
Alex がくれたお人形が超可愛くて、本当に今日はいただいて嬉しかったです。素敵なプレゼントありがとうございました。
Okay.
ありがとうございます。
Clear.
Clear. Sounds
Was
so
it clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Thank you. Okay, let's try in another language.
まあシングリッシュっていうのは、
he
方言みたいな。
Oh, Peter is the lucky one today. He won, so it's not a
You
scam.
won Nutty!
He won Nutty.
Cracking hands! It's a
Yeah.
Oh, you're lucky boy. Wow.
Just one try! Wow! So lucky, so I'm gonna write on. Like that.
So if someone gets you a drink, they have a chance to win.
Yeah. Chance to do the gamble. This
Oh, thank you. Okay, and he just won.
Right, yeah! He won just once!
Okay.
Super lucky.
Cool.
すごいな。
うめえな。でもこの後トライして当たったら
お、
チェキが無料になります。
無料？
で、ポラロイド。ポラロイド will be free.
無理をしない
So please continue to challenge.
So what's the price now?
Polaroid for free.
パラライチェキ。
Polaroid for free. You can take Polaroid cheki for free.
Oh, okay.
It's 1,000 yen. It's gonna be free if you want.
Okay, now we're gonna try English, UK, and
Dutch only has
Dutch.
one option.
Dutch only has one option.
Oh, just
So you have to.
Yes,
so
That's
he's
okay.
a toriringo.
All right, I'm gonna. Okay, who talks first? Okay. All right. Okay. Start.
Oké, dit is de 36e keer dat ik al op vakantie ben geweest in Japan.
It's the 36th time you've been on vacation in Japan.
Wow, it was accurate. Awesome.
It works.
It works, yeah.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna try Dutch and Japanese. Okay. Are you ready? Start. Okay.
Dit is een zeer lekkere cocktail. Heb je deze al geprobeerd?
はまだ飲んでないです。
あ、そうですか。
通じた。
Oh, 正しく。
通じたんだ。
まだ飲んでない。
Correct.
It's
What
correct.
did you say?
This is a very good cocktail. Have you tried it before?
すごい。 すごいすごいすごいす
スム
ごいすごい。
ーズに出てきたコレクトセンテンス正しいですか？
日本に来てくれてありがとうございます。素敵な思い出をたくさん作ってくださいね。日本の女の子はどうですか？
外れ？外れ。
とても可愛いです。
So it was correct?
すごい
Awesome.
最後のワンモアセンテンスがマジでウケた。
大事。
He was asking about Japanese girl.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
すごい。これすごいこれすごいこれすごい。
Amazing,
Amazing,
amazing
oh.
product.
So this is my second time to Japan, and I came for the women because the women are beautiful and spectacular and maid cafe and sexy and alcohol cheap, food cheap, delicious. What's that?
You don't have to talk broken.
That's how I talk in the supermarket. I'm like, yes, good.
And it's so funny that audience love and translate it.
All right. Okay, let's try one more time with Jason again. Oh, Jason in English.
Speaker,
Yeah, same thing.
Talking about Japanese girl.
Yeah.
With
All
this
right.
or without this?
So, okay, just to clarify, when Jason speaks English, you just speak clearly for 30 seconds, and you don't maybe you don't speak. Nobody
American
speaks.
English.
Yeah, only
Oh, just my English.
Yeah, only your English.
Okay.
For 30 seconds. Okay.
I will try.
Okay, Jason is gonna talk about Japanese girl.
Maybe every single part.
Every single
Alright.
person.
All right. So, or Japanese girls, great. So yes, I've been here about 2 months, and I found a very good Japanese girl, and so that is great. I will be going to visit her with a Shinkansen ride tomorrow, so I'm very excited to go out to. It's a place that starts with K, and I cannot remember what it's called right now.
Okay, now you speak English.
I am not here to eat. I am not. I'm sorry. I am not here to meet Japanese girls. I am here to explore Japan, the culture, and the history, and explore all of the countryside.
She said, I'm not came to Japan for looking for the Japanese girl,
That's
but
correct.
I came here for the see the countryside view and the other thing.
Ah.
But actually, he doesn't say that.
He did.
You did.
He did.
Is it
But did you?
Yeah, correct. That's what he said.
correct?
Oh,
What
so
is
yeah.
it? Ah, yeah, correct.
Say,
Oh,
okay.
it's correct.
Okay.
My translation wasn't correct.
Right.
Yeah. So I am
Ah,
not
yeah,
here
okay.
to meet Japanese girls. I am here to
yeah, it's
explore
correct. It's
Japanese
correct.
It's correct,
countryside
yeah.
It was
and
correct.
explore the history and culture.
It's completely correct.
All right.
My translation wasn't correct.
So that works better than your translation.
Yeah, works better than me.
All right.
合ってた
Okay.
わ。
知らない。
すごいねこれ。Very
Alright.
useful.
Thank you very much.
そうなんかちゃんとウェアしたらプロパウェ
Yeah,
ア
you have to wear it
works
actually.
really well.
Yeah.
So
It
proper
matters
wear
what
is
you put it in.
important.
So speak
Yeah.
Japanese.
あ、OK。
なるほど。
あ、ちょっと待って、ちょっと待って。
うん。
ここは大事だから。
スピークジャパニーズ。
Alright. Short Japanese. Okay.
なんかここら辺でバーホッピングとかしたらすごく楽しいと思う。
マイリーさんと
私と。
It would be
So,
better, but a
間違いない。
lot of fun to go bar hopping around here. I'm sure of it too.
まあホッピング、まあ要はまあ
おー
Accurate? That's cool. So it was accurate, yeah?
Accurate. Yeah,
Yeah,
damn
yeah.
right. That was perfect.
Alright,
お
perfect.
ーすごい。
Awesome.
なんか by purpose わざと I put neutral word like なんか
Ah, but
is
still.
so like somehow
Right.
うんこ how not うんこ
うんこじゃねえ
so I put the kind of word
うん。
なんかブレイクワードみたいなやつ、なんかなんかなんだったっけなうんこ
Alright. Okay.
Shit.
It has to be okay. It has to be very clear when you talk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then-
It has to be clear.
concise.
Yeah.
So we
Avoid it.
have to talk proper sentence.
Right.
But for me, it's difficult because I always say broken Japanese.
Alright.
I always speak broken sentence
Okay.
because actually Japanese language we don't need to put the order. We don't have the we don't need to put the words in the correct position.
Alright.
So if you put the word in the wrong position, that makes sense.
Okay.
That's why I always speak Japanese language mixed. mixed.
でも英語だから多分。
す
なんていうの？言葉がさ、
買ってみてください。これ
正しくない。順番が
日本でも
学校で習う主語。
日本でも
日本語
日本でもできる、オンラインできる。
何？目的語？
いや、タイムケトル、タイムケトル。
まとまらないうちに最後コンクルージョン言うじゃん。
うんうんうん。
それで成り立つじゃん。
タイムケトル。
だから多分これ撮ってる？
出てる、出てる。
あ、今撮ってる。
出てる。
あ、よかった。そう。I wanna try
うん。
this product can translate nutty because nutty is the original word.
Right.
Nutty has no meaning.
Okay.
Just nutty とか something many kinds of decoration words we have ね。
Yes.
We put decoration word in the end of the sentence all the
Okay.
time. Something like it. Nutty is one of the decoration words. So actually we have so many. We can make easily.
Alright.
なりとか、でちゅう、
あ、い
だ
や。
っちゃ、わあ。Something okay. You can create. If your name is Peter, we can put Peter at the end of the sentence. 楽しかったペーター。おいしいペーター。
ああ、
最高
so
ペ
you
ー
can
タ
use that
ー。
word
So
as
it's so easy. So the nutty is a decoration word. なり。
Alright.
ね、だよね。
Yes.
So